I know you've thought about it. How far is it across? It's 21 miles across.
Currents changing every few hours. Freezing water. The hardest test in all of sport.
You think I could do it? Do you think I can? I've decided to swim the English Channel.
What do you mean?
I'm going to swim the English Channel.
No, I'm saying...
I wasn't asking. Please pass the bread.
A woman. She won't get past the 7th male.
I believe she'll die in that water.
You know, most men believe that we're too weak to compete. And what if I make it? Then they got a serious problem.
The thing you love most, it terrifies me. I can't imagine if something happens to you.
They're rooting against you, Trudy. They want the water to win.
I came all this way. Might as well see England.
There's no going back.
Come on, girl. Kick your feet! I need you to promise me something. Don't let anyone take me out of the water, no matter what.
6 miles in. She's slowing down.
They don't want us to be heroes. They don't want us to be anything.
Jellyfish. She's gonna have to swim through.
Trudy, you don't have to do this. I don't know. Seems like a nice day for a swim.